This is an image of cyclone type canal system. On the top you can see osculum, then you can see dermal ostia. Dermal ostia means the water from where the water enters into the animal body. Next you can see prosopile. Prosopile means the connection between incurrent canal and radial canal, which connects incurrent canal and radial canal. Next you can see choanocytes. Choanocytes means having flagellated cells. Then you can see radial canal. Radial canal uh, radial canal having flagellated radial canal having flagellated cells. Apopiles. Apopiles means the opening of radial canal into the excurrent canal. Earlier excurrent canal is known as spongocele. Here it is known as excurrent canal. So apopyle is opening between radial canal and excurrent canal. Next you can see incurrent canal. Incurrent canal is opened by ostia. Mechanism: water is entered into the incurrent canal by dermal ostia. Then water goes into radial canal by prosopile. So here prosopile is a connection between incurrent canal and radial canal. From radial canal water goes into spongocele or excurrent canal. So radial canal and spongocele are connected by apopiles. Now water goes from spongocele to outside of the body by osculum. Third one is Leucon type of canal system. This is more complex than Sycon type of canal system. Why? Because here the wall of the body is much folded than Sycon type canal system. Ascon type canal system is the simplest type of canal system than Sycon type canal system. In Sycon type canal system, the wall of body is folded. Here in Leucon type canal system, the body of wall is much folded than Sycon type canal system. So Sycon type canal system give rise to Leucon type canal system. This is characteristic of leuconoid sponge. Leuconoid sponge means the sponge which have Leucon type canal system. Radial symmetry is lost. Canal system very irregular. Here radial symmetry is lost. Why? Because here spongocele is shrinked and divided. So spongocele is modified into excurrent canal. So here spongocele is not found and radial symmetry is lost. So now radial canal is so we so now we know radial canal as a flagellated canal or flagellated chamber. Flagellated chamber is small, spherical and lined by choanocytes. Flagellated chamber is radial canal, but radial symmetry is lost. So now we know radial canal is a flagellated chamber. Other spaces are lined by pinacocyte. Only in flagellated chamber have choanocyte cells or flagellated cells. This is an image of Spongilla, the animal of Leucon type canal system or leuconoid sponge. Incurrent canals open into flagellated chamber through prosopile. In Sycon type canal system, incurrent canal open into radial canal by prosopile. Here in Leucon type canal system, incurrent canal is open into flagellated chamber by prosopile. Flagellated chamber open into excurrent canal. In Sycon type canal system, in Sycon type canal system, radial canal is open into excurrent canal by apopiles. Here flagellated chamber opens into excurrent canal through apopiles. Excurrent canal are developed as a result of shrinkage and division of spongocele. As I told you, here in Leucon type canal system, spongocoel is shrinked and divided. So spongocoel is now disappeared and radial symmetry is lost. Excurrent canals open outside by osculum. As spongocoel open outside by osculum, here excurrent canal is open outside by osculum. Mechanism: water comes in incurrent canal by dermal ostia, and then water goes to flagellated chamber from incurrent canal by prosopile. So prosopile is connection between incurrent canal and flagellated chamber. Flagellated chamber open into excurrent canal by apopiles. Here apopiles is connection between flagellated chamber and excurrent canal. Excurrent canal open outside by osculum. Leucon type canal system is modification of Sycon type canal system. In many calcareous sponge, Leucon type is developed directly without passing through Ascon and Sycon type in their embryogeny. In figure, you can see Ragon larva. Ragon larva is from calcareous sponge. In this type of calcareous sponge, there are no Ascon type canal system and Sycon type canal system shown directly. Leucon type canal system is found. There are three successive grades of Leucon type canal system. First one is Eurypylus type, second one is aphodal, and third one is diplodal type. Let's see what's the difference between these three types of successive grades. Let's start with Eurypylus type. Eurypylus is simplest and most primitive type. Flagellated chamber directly open into excurrent canal. Here flagellated chamber directly opens into excurrent canal by apopiles. Here apopile is connection between flagellated chamber and apopiles. Excurrent canal. Here is the example of Eurypylus type is Plekina. You can see Plekina in the image. This is Eurypylus type canal system, Leucon type successive grade of Leucon type canal system. In the figure, you can see that flagellated chamber is directly open into excurrent canal by apopiles. See the figures. Second one is aphodal type. Aphodal types. In the aphodal type, aphodus is found. What is aphodus? Aphodus is a narrow canal. Means aphodus is a narrow canal, means it is a modification of apopiles. Here apopiles is become long narrow tube is known as aphodus. Aphodus connects flagellated chamber with excurrent canal. This is the example of aphodal type of canal system, Geodia. You can see this in the figure. Aphodal type canal system. Here you can see that you can see aphodus. Aphodus means long narrow tube modification of apopiles which connects flagellated chamber with excurrent canal. Third one is diplodal type. Diplodal type means here aphodus is present, but beside the aphodus here prosodus also present. So what's the prosodus? Prosodus is the also long narrow tube. It is the modification of prosopile. Prosopile is connects incurrent canal to the flagellated chamber. Here prosopile is modified into the prosodus. So prosodus is a long narrow tube modification of prosopile which connects flagellated chamber to the internal canal. Example, Spongilla and Oscarella. You can see Spongilla in the figure. Here is the leuconoid type of canal system with diplodal chamber. Here you can see aphodos as well as prosodus. Prosodus connects incurrent canal to the flagellated chamber, and aphodos connects flagellated chamber to the excurrent canal. So here your canal system is completed. I wrote some words which terms which uh, here some terms of canal system. Wrote down these terms. Pause the video and note down these terms. Also these prosopile, coenosides, apopiles, all these. Thank you.